Are you ready to take control of your financial future and earn a seven-figure income within the next 5 years? Imagine being a part of a movement where you not only learn to save and grow your wealth, but also guide others to do the same, and you are rewarded for teaching others. Welcome to the Financial Coaches Network, or FCN, where financial freedom meets community. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a systematic, calculated approach to wealth creation. Let's face it, financial literacy in Nigeria is at alarmingly low levels. Many young people struggle with saving, budgeting and investing, skills that are crucial for financial security. And that's not all. With high unemployment and underemployment rates, Nigerian youths face a tough reality, and many are not aware of these facts. Yet, here's the good news. Financial Coaches Network, FCN, is here to turn this challenge into an opportunity. We're on a mission to empower young Nigerians to save, grow their wealth, and even build a rewarding network that impacts lives. This will be done through adequate mentorship. Remember, those who have mentors will not lack methods. As young people, the future is in our hands, and we have the power to shape it. Saving and building wealth may not be the norm, but doing things differently is what can set you up for a future of freedom, independence, and even financial legacy. That's where FCN comes in, with a clear plan for how you can save, lead, and earn, all while making a difference. So what is FCN? It's a cooperative model designed to help young people like you save consistently, build financial skills, and earn rewards. Here's how it works. You start by registering with a small fee of 2,500 Naira, then choose a monthly savings level. You can contribute amounts ranging from 5,000 Naira, 10,000 Naira, 20,000 Naira, up to 100,000 Naira monthly based on what fits your budget. Also, one key fact you need to know is that money you did not save will not save you. As a financial coach with FCN, your role is to lead by example. By saving consistently for 5 years, you set the pace. Do you know that saving just 5,000 Naira monthly for 5 years sums up to 300,000 Naira, with which you can access up to 600,000 Naira as an interest-free loan from the cooperative? Also, if you had saved 10,000 Naira monthly for 5 years, that will amount to 600,000 Naira, with which you can access a 1,200,000 Naira interest-free loan from the cooperative. This will give you a startup fund for a small business rather than sitting idle doing nothing after graduation. But it doesn't stop there. Each coach is encouraged to mentor at least 10 other people, helping them start their savings journey and grow their own wealth. Think of it as a chain reaction of financial empowerment. And here's where it gets exciting. As a coach, you earn a registration bonus of 300 Naira from all new members you registered directly then, 300, 400, and 400 on your second, third, and fourth level registration. It gets more exciting as you earn 4% on the monthly contributions of each of your direct referrals, and that same reward extends across 4 levels. This means the impact you make is multiplied, and the rewards grow with every person you empower. Just think about this. If you coached 10 of your friends who joined the Financial Coach Network, if they are just saving 5,000 Naira monthly, you will earn 5,000 times 4% times 10, which gives 2,000 Naira bonus if they duplicate your effort and become coaches like you and have 10 referrals each. That makes a total of 100 in your second level. At this point, you will earn 5,000 Naira times 4% times 100, which gives 20,000 Naira. At this point, you begin to earn 20,000 Naira monthly. If the 100 persons in your second level become active FCN members, and they duplicate also, it means you have 1,000 persons at the third level. At this point, your monthly income is approximately 5,000, NHIA times 4% times 1,000. This gives 200,000 Naira monthly, and the last level gives you about 2 million Naira monthly. All these can be achieved in a couple of months, or at most 5 years. It's not just about saving, it's about creating an income stream through leadership. Other benefits of membership of FCN include 1. Helps you build your emergency reserve funds. 2. Access to zero-interest loan. 3. Access to loans twice your savings. 4. 10% annual returns on savings. 5. Access to quality health service via National Health Insurance Authority. You'll gain valuable financial knowledge, make meaningful connections, and create a lasting impact on your community. And imagine this: you'll be part of a network that supports you every step of the way. With enough people on board, FCN can do more than improve individual lives. Together, we can build a financially empowered generation that strengthens our communities and contributes to Nigeria's economy and Africa at large. The potential is massive, and it all starts with you. Ready to be a part of FCN? Joining is simple. Sign up, pay the registration fee, and start saving. You'll be part of a cooperative that values commitment, growth, and rewarding connections. Don't miss out on this chance to make a real impact for yourself and for others. The journey to financial freedom begins today. Join us at FCN and become part of a community that's changing lives, one savings plan at a time. It's time to take control, lead by example, and build a future of financial empowerment. Click the link, register, and let's build wealth together.